I really like this. It's very good at not wheeling. It's a good job we're in Mexico or wherever people say you do when you want to do illegal stuff. Joe's just found rally mode. There's a little jump here. Gentle acceleration. Oh, it does the it does the airbox pop that a Super Duke does. What an utterly sublime bike, man. What an absolutely incredible bit of kit. What? Oh, it is so good. It's so much ease. Oh my god. But yeah, again, I'm 2 hours into riding this thing and I'm comfy. Bloody Nora. Well, my organs have just left my body. It's f***ing mental, that's what it is. And I'm going to have to bleep that out, and a lot of swearing that I've had to bleep out in this video. But f*** me. Oh my god, I want one! Cheeky bit of rev limiter. Little bit of air. Oh my god, this thing is brilliant! I absolutely want to send it up here on my back wheel, but I can't because well, not that I would do that anyway on UK legal public roads, would I? It's got stupid power! Oh my! Oh god, this bike's so good! God, that is such a sexy fucking bike. That is a grand total of 285 miles. Good baby girl.
I get it!
You get it!
I get it!
Did you like that bit of road by any chance?
A little bit.
Just
Just a little
a
bit.
touch.
It's gone from being a touring bike to an Super Duke. Sehr gut, danke. Das Super Duken. Oh, hello. I was in second, not third. That came up much faster than I was expecting. Bloody Nora. Bloody Nora, this thing takes off. Joe just said, holy shit. Jesus Christ! God, I love this bike. This is a road model KTM. How is it doing this well? This is doing better than me. I'm knackered. Take him up the inside. Fuck, God, this bike's so loud! Oh my god! Yeah, boy, another super adventure! Oh, I love this bike so much! Oh, I'm so happy right now. Thank you. See, they know it's a KTM. They know to let royalty through when they see it. Oh, I love this bike so much. Bloody Nora. Oh, this bike is actually sublime. I love it so much. Oh, pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. But yes, thank you very much for joining me if I haven't said already, and I will see you in next week's video.